I'm Kirsten Fitzgerald, and I'm a Chicago-based actor and educator and artistic director. I am the artistic director of an ensemble theater in Chicago called A Red Orchid Theatre. In its 27th year this year of producing live theater. We do, and historically has been pretty catch as catch can, with no formal plan necessarily, but with the plan that we will produce and a world premiere once a year at least. Sometimes we do two, sometimes it doesn't happen, but that means we got to develop that world premiere, which is pretty exciting. This is the second time I am here. And the first time I was here as a respondent. I came in and watched plays and spoke with playwrights. And this year I got to spend some time with some actors and directors as well. The new piece here since I've been here is the certificate in acting and directing specific to new play development, which is really exciting. Yesterday, I got to work with actually all three groups, some playwrights, some directors, some actors, on the communication and or collaboration between director and actor specifically is how I was starting, but it was really great to have playwrights in the room as well. We focused mostly on the first step, the first time the actor sort of comes into the picture, which is in the audition process. It was interesting. I was talking with one of the students last night about trying it all, about just knowing that you could and would do theater in some way or another. So getting experience or being curious about how each of the elements comes together, whether it is the script or the vision for the direction of the play, or even the designs. I spent some time in a costume shop when I was in school that paid for my tuition, and I sort of thought that maybe that's what I was going to do for a little while, or at least that's how I was going to get in. Oh man, I would say go for it. I mean, go for it, and also take care of yourself. Like, when you decide where you're gonna go or what you're gonna do, figure out how to eat and make yourself happy, and then do your art. Do it.